a seatbelt to put on. So she's freaking out. You think you're holding on tight enough? Oh gosh, that's funny. So hello guys, we can start the vlog here. We got up really early this morning, and I feel like I definitely could be more tired than I am right now, because it's like, let's see, it's 6:04 right now, but we got up at 4, I think, something like that. And then we went to bed at like 12 something. 12. She went to bed at like 1. I think. I'm a fighter. What's it called? I don't know. But okay, so update. We're going to the airport right now. Got our passports, and oh yeah, she's scared. So this is the first time that she's flying, so it's gonna be fun, and I'm excited because she's gonna freak out. But I get to sit by her and hold her hand.
Actually, you won't see this video unless we live, so you don't.
Yeah. Okay. So you'll only see this video if we live. But yeah, so we'll keep you updated. All right. Goodbye for now. How do you feel?
Oh my
You're
gosh.
getting closer to the time.
I'm getting cold and antsy.
Nancy?
Yeah.
Is your anxiety picking up a little bit?
A little bit.
A little bit? Hello guys. So the airport's right there. We are here, and this Cabo trip it's beginning. This is the start of it all. Start of something new? This is her first time flying, so we're very excited. She's very anxious, but see, she can't even look at the camera because she's so scared, but it's okay, it's gonna be okay. Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and get checked in, and then I'll update you. Our flight is leaving at 9 o'clock in the morning, and it is currently 6:20. Today is the 1st of February, no longer January, and yeah, so we should be to Cabo at like 12 o'clock. Alright, we made it through ticketing and boarding past stuff, like all that stressful stuff, and patting us down and taking our shoes off and such. Do you feel better now that we did all of that?
I feel wet.
My alarm is going off for 7:15 and I've already been up for 3 hours now. What'd you say? Do you feel better now that we already finished all of that stressful stuff?
Yes.
Yeah.
I feel much better.
Okay, good.
They're not going to check it?
We are good.
I'm scared.
How do you feel?
I'm scared. I'm very scared.
Yeah.
No turning back now.
I know. This is happening here and now. How do you feel? Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed? It's okay. We are boarding, or no, we're already boarding. We're sitting on the plane and we're waiting to take off. All right, we'll be back. So, bye.
I just cried.
Here. Stop.
The suspense is like worse. We're just gonna sit here. Stop. Oh no.
It's getting louder.
Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh, we're going. We're going.
I know. Please let us fly safely and get to Cabo safely, and watch over us and be with my sister, give her strength when we're going to this, watch over my whole family, and help the wedding goes good. Alright, in Jesus' name I pray. Oh, amen. It's just like a roller coaster, okay? Oh my gosh. It's like a roller coaster. I didn't think it was gonna go that fast. It's okay. I got it. There we go. See, it's not even bad. Look. We're just, wait, oh my god. Look, it's not even bad. Look. Okay. Okay. I feel lightheaded. Oh, it's already pretty. Dude, good job. Thanks. High five. Alright, this is a completely new place that we are in. It's very interesting. interesting, very busy, very...
There is a muy guapo niño over there.
There was a cute boy, and he was like looking at me and my sister already.
I said handsome.
But
He's cute.
anyways, we gotta be aware.
Look at this little man of ours.
That's not who I'm talking about.
I am.
All right, we have like a 45-minute ride to the hotel, or to our resort, and then we'll be there. Yo, we are back. We are back, rocking and rolling.
I was trying to back up so I could like show my whole face.
We are going to the rehearsal dinner right now.
I don't think that's that way.
Oh, it's the other way, sorry.
That looks good.
That breeze all over the place.
I love it here.
You know, the thing about these sunglasses, I can't see anything I'm filming, but that's okay.
It's dark.
It's really pretty everywhere.
I almost just slipped.
These shoes are cute. There's like spots in the front of the resort where it looks like all white, and it kind of looks like we're in Greece in a way. But it's definitely like super. It's super cool here, you know, being in a new place. Nate, you look so cute. Aww.
Hey!
So if you want a secret little tour of the wedding, so this is actually where we're gonna like walk, and then we're walking this way.
It's called.
And we basically like walk through there down the middle, and then the wedding is happening all right there. So
A preview.
yeah, this is a it's like a
What is that word called? Not behind the scenes?
behind the scenes.
No.
Yeah, there you go. So this is a behind the scenes. We are very excited, you know? They're getting married. My aunt is getting married. This is my aunt. Let me just show you. These are the wedding partners. Oh, so cute. That's my aunt and uncle. And yeah. I'm back in my room, guys. Okay, just kidding. So I'm not back at home yet at this point. This is the first day. I'm still in Cabo. But I'm going back over the videos, and unfortunately I was looking back at stuff and there's missing videos, and I think some of the videos that I took got deleted. I'm trying not to be super upset about it because they were good videos. But basically another part like of the whole like plane experience was that, and when we got off in Mexico, we got to get off the plane and like walk down the ladder, you know how you see it in the movies like all the time. And I told my mom, I was like, oh, I really want to get off a plane like and go straight outside like down the ladder. Well, I had like videos of that, and like right when we were when we got to Mexico and all that stuff, so that was all gone, and I'm very sad about that. But yeah, so we got to Mexico, so I'll take you to the clip right now. Are we in Greece or are we in Mexico?
Well, look at there's a terrace.
Okay, but then later on in the night, I think I might have lost some of the other videos that I took as well. So I'm just gonna recap you all on what I did for the rest of this night. So basically, after the rehearsal dinner, we took a long time to decide like where we were gonna eat because we had so many people with us. So basically, we ended up going to eat at this really good Mexican restaurant, and we walked on like the pier of the Mexican, the Mexican pier of like where we were in Mexico. So it was like a pier right by our hotel in Cabo, her resort. But yeah, so we went to go eat there, and this is actually what it looked like. So I'll go ahead and put a clip in right here in a second, but just a forewarning, it actually started raining on us when we were eating, so that part was very disappointing. It was a good thing because I was already finished eating at that point, but in a matter of 10 seconds it definitely started pouring on us on this table. So this is what it looked like.
This is exactly what we did.
But yeah, and then also when we were eating, so this is the thing that I learned about Mexico, is that people will always come up to you and they'll always be trying to like solicit to you, and they'll be trying to like advertise things for like tours and activities and different things. But this guy, he came up to us while we were eating and he put a lizard on his head. It was like, or no, it was a, what was it called? Oh, it was an iguana. He literally came and put an iguana on his head, but luckily it was on his hat that he put that on. So it was funny. He ended up putting a sombrero like on the iguana, But like, he was trying to put on every single person's head without asking, and I did not want to have that on my head. But this is what it looked like. But yeah, so just an interesting experience. Like, people will always be trying to like come up to you, and especially like when you're eating, they don't care. But that's okay. It was so it was fun eating dinner. So that's basically all we did. Oh my goodness, look at all the lights in the distance. You can actually see it on the camera. Usually you can't, but it's really pretty at night. It's all lit up down there. I got myself an ice cream sandwich here. Ooh, we're just gonna relax, sit and relax on these chairs. Okay, we're back here. There's literally a lighting up pool.
Guys, can we come back?
Over this view. So let me just tell you, we're gonna be back. We're gonna go swimming in this. Oh my gosh, the water is so clear. This is so nice. I can't. And there's a little slide that goes down to another pool at the bottom.
Oh my.
Can we come back and swim? Yeah. Yeah? Yeah.
Feet first, face up.
Okay.
Feet first, face up at one time. Is that the hot tub over there?
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll definitely be uploading my next vlog of the next day, so you guys got to see like each day that I was there in Cabo, so just like little recaps. But I just wanted to let you know like that whole mishap, like with me losing videos. There'll be more footage coming your way, and I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. If you have, go ahead and give it a like, and then subscribe, and I'm gonna keep on posting videos because I love to I love posting vlogs. So I'm gonna catch you later. Goodbye. Catch you later.